An introduction to analysis, dashboards, and interactive reporting. Oracle Business Intelligence comes with a range of powerful, intuitive, and visually compelling tools for creating reports, ad hoc analysis, dashboards, and other types of visualization that you can access either through a web browser, a mobile device such as an Apple iPhone or iPad, or productivity tools such as Microsoft Office. Now, the main way in which users query the data sources mapped into your business intelligence system and create reports and web pages that show data in the form of tables, pivot tables, graphs, and other visualizations is to create analyses that are then embedded in dashboards. Dashboards provide a means to display one or more analyses around a theme such as sales, procurement and spending, customers, and displaying data and graphics to help users understand the data they are working with. Shared on this slide is an example of what an Oracle Business Intelligence dashboard looks like. There are different parts to a dashboard. You will notice that on the left pane, a different section has been created which shows a different number of years that corresponds to the different reports displayed on the dashboard. Then, on the same dashboard, you will have multiple pages. This is a brand analysis page. Then there's also another page that shows product details. Then there's also another page that says usage. And then if you create geospatial integration maps, there's another page that's where you can embed all the different maps. In Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition, you can work with analysis. This area of Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition is also known as answers. Analyses are queries against an organization's data that provide answers to business questions. Analysis allow you to explore and interact with information by visually presenting data in easy to understand formats such as tables and graphs. You can save, organize, and share the results of analysis. Change the form without altering the data in the underlying table. Dashboards. This area of Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition is also known as interactive dashboards. Dashboards provide personalized views of corporate and external information. A dashboard consists of one or more pages that contain content such as analysis, link to websites, Oracle Business Intelligence publisher reports, and so on. Dashboards allow you to provide end users with access to analytics. Filters, selection steps, and prompts. Filters, selection steps, and prompts allow you to limit or specify the data that is displayed in dashboards and analysis. Agents. This area of Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition is also known as delivers. Agents enable you to automate your business processes. You can use agents to provide event-driven alerting, scheduled content publishing, and conditional event-driven action execution. Agents can be scheduled or can be triggered by a specific condition, which enables you to deliver timely information to users. Just as a note of reminder, in previous versions, 10G, and when this software was still known as SIBO Analytics, agents were known as iBots. Conditions. Conditions are objects that return a single Boolean value that is based on the evaluation of an analysis or of a key performance indicator. That's a KPI. You use conditions to determine whether something is to be done, for example, whether an agent is to deliver its content. Actions provide functionality to navigate to related content or to invoke operations, functions, or processes in external systems. You can include actions in various objects such as analysis and dashboard pages. Actions allow users to take the proper action based on the business insight that they gained from the data they received. Scorecards. This area of Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition is also known as Oracle Scorecard and Strategy Management. Scorecards allow you to model the objectives and initiatives that comprise your corporate strategy, evaluate their performance by assigning KPIs, which are key performance indicators, and determine and display overall performance. Other products. Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition interacts in various ways with other products. For example, with the Oracle Business Intelligence add-on or add-in for Microsoft Office, you can access and run analysis from Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition directly within your Microsoft Office workspace.